Welcome to the Big Family Travel Guide, your guide to comfortable stays for big families. Splash Lagoon, Erie, Pennsylvania. The Splash Lagoon is an indoor water park resort that is connected to 3 hotels. It was rated the 6th best water park in 2022. The water park is 84 degrees all year long and has a treehouse, a giant tipping coconut, froggy splash pad, kiddie pool, lazy river, treetops ropes course, 9 thrilling water slides including the Typhoon Twister and Riptide races, a wave pool, Monkey Shines Island Children's Area, XD Dark Ride Theater, Holygate Virtual Reality, an arcade, 2 adult-only hot tubs and much more. The 3 hotels attached to the Splash Lagoon Indoor Water Park are the Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Hawthorne Inn and Suites, and the Comfort Inn. Express and Suites is the closest hotel connected to the water park. It is a smoke-free facility. Free parking is available. Breakfast included. They offer family and kid suites with bunk beds. They also have access to Hawthorne's indoor heated pool. Can accommodate 12 guests max. The Comfort Inn is a pet-friendly smoke-free facility. Free parking is available. Breakfast is included. This facility has an indoor heated pool. Kid suites are available. Can accommodate 5 max. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video highlighting Splash Lagoon Indoor Water Park Resort, a place that accommodates big families in Erie, Pennsylvania. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can reach more families. Thank you.